All right, guys, so I'm getting experimentative, and tonight I'm ordering cake from Charlie's Steakhouse. I don't know what made me want to order cake from Charlie's Steakhouse, but they got a butter cake. It was $18, $22.95 with tax included, and I'm just here like, I'm gonna have to do a review because I need to like get paid back for this. So I'm gonna tell you guys the honest truth once I get it. I honestly ordered it curbside, so I'm just waiting for the time to come so I can go ahead and pick it up. There's actually no parking close to Charlie's Steakhouse. You have to be valet or valeted, whatever, to have a parking spot. So yeah, it was just a strange craving that came up. In fact, what it was all day I've been looking for cornbread. I ordered cornbread from a restaurant, which I will not say the name of, and I was really anticipating that the cornbread would be good, and it wasn't. I'm having cravings down the line of like cornbread, pound cake, lemon cake, you know that direction. So I'm looking up desserts at different restaurants. I see cheesecake. That wasn't quite the direction I wanted to go in, but then I seen this 5-star restaurant and they had butter cake. So I was like, you know what, I don't know what butter cake is, but it says crispy crunchy butter cake. So I was like, I really do like a whole bunch of textures, and it comes with ice cream. So I was like, let's check it out. All right, y'all, I just got it delivered to my car curbside. I think that's probably the only cool part about this. He told me that there's ice cream on the side, and this is the box. Like, let's get into it. Okay. All right, y'all. I'm not impressed by the look of it, but we're gonna try it. So let me put everything together and come right back. All right, y'all, so I got the ice cream to the right. I put a little caramel drizzle on the cake. He said it just came out the oven. So, all right, let's see what it's about. All right, let's give it a shot. So I'm gonna go in first. I feel like I should do a little bit of both, kind of thing. Wow. Wait. Let me go one more time. Yeah. Yep. Yes. If you've ever had Neiman Marcus cake, this is what Neiman Marcus cake tastes like. And although I say the vanilla ice cream brings the flavor out of it the most. Now, for the serious question, what you watched the video for? Was it worth $18?
Absolutely not.
But it is delicious. And if I had to rate it, I'm going to give it a cool 7.3 out of 10.